Good morning, dear parents. Today I am going to show you an activity of making the mask of kitty cat with paper. So kindly see the video and help your child to do this activity. Dear parents, you can use any colored paper. Let's start. For this, you need white, black, yellow, and maroon paper, glue stick, and wool strings. First, draw a face of kitty cat with black marker like this. And draw its eyes. You can use black marker or sketch pen to make eyes. Now, take the yellow paper and draw the nose like this and cut it. Now take the black paper and cut the 6 strips like this. And place the strips on the face of cat like this. Now take the maroon paper and draw the bow for cute kitty cat. Cut it. Now cut the cat's mask. You will get this type of mask after cutting. Now cut the eyes. children. Now you will paste the bow, nose, and black strips like this on the face of kitty cat. Now do the holes on both sides and take the 2 strings of wool and put it in the holes. Now the mask of kitty cat is ready. The child can put it on his or her face. It will be a fun activity for the children. So children, do this activity with the guidance of your parents. So dear parents, please click the picture of the mask of kitty cat and share with the teacher. Thank you.